Hi everybody, it's Wendy Lee. Today I am back with an incoming swap for the Rainbow Memory Decks. So you might remember I had done a video a while back showing you what I had sent to my partner, and then she sent me my memory decks, and I wanted to share that with you. And for this particular swap, we are strictly only signed up to swap a memory decks card. Nothing extra. So I wanted to share the cute little package that she had sent me. So she wrote me a cute little note. Everything came packaged like this, and then inside she wrote me a note, which was really sweet. And here is what she sent me. She sent me these cute little cutouts to color. Look at that little girl. She's adorable. She's holding a stack of cupcakes, and then the pretty little bird with the camera. I think that is so cute. Then she sent me some blank memory decks cards, which I could do my own thing with, which I love. I love to send people like partially done things where you add your kind of style to it, and then they can like take it to the next level if they want to. So she sent me these ones, and I just love the die that she used to cut these out with. I think it's a die, and I like those colors too. I like those colors together. So there's that. And then she sent me another one, but this one has this really cute paper with tickets on it. So those are nice. So I have some blanks that I can use. And then here is her beautiful card, you guys. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. So it says, "Life looks beautiful on you." And then I love how she layered the clouds and the sun. And then look at the rain. Doesn't that look real? I wonder what she used for that. Do you think she used Nuvo drops for that? And look how pretty the lady is in the rainbow, what's it called? Umbrella. I think that is just so beautiful and so artistic. I really love it. Let me see what she wrote on the back. Okay, I can share this. So it says my name, and then it says her name, and it says Rainbow Memory Decks event, Pocket Full of Friends, April 2021. So this was our swap. I'm gonna link the group below, Pocket Full of Friends. It's just a fun little group. I think I've said before in the past that several of the members that are in paper art swaps are also in this group, Pocket Full of Friends. Now, Pocket Full of Friends doesn't do as many swaps as paper art swaps. A little bit of a slower pace over there. I don't know if it's gonna pick up or if it's like just a new group. I was invited, and this was literally the first swap I've done there. So anyways, I'm having a great time there. Everybody is so nice. But I wanted to share my beautiful memory decks card with you. I am just in love with this. Danita is so talented. I just think this is so beautiful. I love it so much, and I'm gonna cherish it. So thank you, Danita. I don't know if you watch my channel. Danita does not have a YouTube channel, or else I would share it with you, of course. But anyway, I love this, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye.